Welcome to Patriot Golden Card Review. Get your exclusive Trump card one time. Offer save up to 80%. 10x Golden Plated Trump 2024 cards. 100% safe purchase. #1 rated commemorative card for Trump 2024. Approved by fans. Ships from our warehouse in Texas. Get your exclusive Trump card. This card is sold exclusively here and can't be bought anywhere else. Now is the time to get your hands on a very limited edition, gold-plated Trump card. This product is a commemorative golden-plated card issued by supporters of Trump 2024 campaign. It should in no way be considered an investment opportunity. It's a one-of-a-kind piece of memorabilia, one not just for collectors but for all Americans. Excellent gift items. Any real patriot would love this card. Real-life credit card size. Made to impress 74 million Americans love Trump. That's why this has become the #1 best-selling card risk-free. Full and complete 60-day back guarantee. If you are unhappy, you can request a full refund in the first 60 days. Quality. Proof-like quality maintained inside a complimentary plastic case. Go. Our guarantee. At Patriot Golden Card, we truly offer the most stunning, trendy, highest quality pieces of memorabilia in the world. We will do whatever it takes, with outstanding customer service support, to assist everyone, as we highly value our customer satisfaction with absolute zero risk. We make sure that every customer is 110% satisfied in every aspect with the 24th of July 365 fast support. If you can buy now, check video description.